everyone. Sorry it has been a few weeks. I might be a little rusty, so bear with me.
Yeah, this is like the longest we haven't posted.
Yeah, I've kind of forgotten how to film, so bear with us. So we've got some fun news today. Sad news, fun news, exciting news. Someone put a deposit down on the Ferrari, which means a lot of things. One, we gotta go get it. Two, we gotta get it all spiffed up and ready for the new owner. But we have a twist. The owner doesn't really like the black, which means he wants it wrapped.
Yeah, so the owner and us, we negotiated a deal. The purchase price includes a color change wrap. So we're gonna go grab the car from our storage facility, detail it, get it all cleaned up for him, and then we're going to be changing the color today.
Let's go get it. My baby! It's been like 3 weeks since we've seen these.
I know. Man, the Cayman needs so much attention. I still need to make a custom grill for it. There's nothing there.
Aw, all right, well.
Here she, woo, look at that shine. Whoa, whoa, it's shining. Oh. All right, well here she is, boys. In all her glory. It won't be black for long. Do you guys have any guesses on what color we're going to be wrapping the Ferrari? I mean, you're gonna know in like a couple minutes.
You're gonna know, but it's a color that I honestly, this guy, I was like, okay, what color do you want? He was like, bam, he knew exactly what color he wanted.
I like those kind of guys. So I'm assuming that you want to drive it back to the shop.
Obviously.
All right, let's start it up. Man, I'm gonna miss this car. It's so good looking.
I may or may not have shed a tear on the way back.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, it looks pretty dusty. So cue one of our famous detailing montages. So when I was messaging the buyer of the Ferrari, we made a deal to wrap the car before we shipped it out to him, and I asked him, well, what color would you like? And I swear within like 30 seconds he responded and said gloss pearl white. So easy enough. That is what the Ferrari is going today. Let's get started. What are we starting with?
They're going to do the hood first, then the front quarter panels, because they're one piece that kind of loops around. And then I think we'll move to the doors and rear hips.
Okie dokie.
And then take a break.
Let's go. Ooh, that was a very pretty color. Yeah. I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, why the heck would you wrap the Ferrari again after we just had to repaint it because we wrapped it? Well, that's because the paint that was previously on the Ferrari was horrible. Now that it's got really high grade, professional, well done paint on it, and I am extremely confident that will not happen again.
Nope.
Nope.
Should be just fine.
Oh, this would look cool, kind of like wrapped up like a police car.
Oh yeah.
We do like the hood, the doors.
Like they do in Dubai?
Yeah. So Clayton has been doing this for what, like 3 minutes?
Yeah, just about. Oh yeah, what's the time? You guys see?
The time is 12:46.
So we gotta be done by 9 p.m.?
Yep.
Okay.
All right.
It's on.
It's on. Okay, the door's done, and it totally looks like a cop car. Look at this. Oh, that's so cool. Kind of like this whole police car scheme. I've always wanted to do that on one of our cars, but just never had the time. Next car.
Next car.
Next car. Alright guys, we are hustling, so filming has kind of gone on the back burner. Sal's getting a little bored out here, but I'm actually really liking this color. I didn't think that I would like the F430 in white, but I actually really like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Should we just buy another one and wrap it white?
Yeah. Let's just buy it back from this guy.
Buy it back. Okay, you guys, quick update. We got this side almost done, this side almost done, and I'm prepping the back bumper for vinyl. I got the inlays right here and right here. I got little inlays right here. So I have a couple more inlays right there. Then we will wrap the whole back bumper. So we're in a weird predicament where we may be a little bit short on vinyl by a couple feet. So we may have to overnight some more vinyl to make sure this is ready to go for the customer here in like a day and a half, something like that. But yeah, I got lots to do. This looks really cool though.
Oh my gosh, you guys. This is turning out insane, actually. This is a very pleasant surprise. I just finished that side skirt. Clayton back here, oh my gosh. Should we show him the bumper?
Dude, it looks really good in white.
Should we wait till it's done, or should we show him now?
Show him.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
The black tips, the black taillights that are gonna go in are look so good.
Tinted reflectors. Yeah.
The tinted reflectors, the black wheels. I was super biased towards white, and now I'm...
We should have wrapped it white.
Yeah, well, we gotta please the viewers.
Yeah. Time limits.
It's 9. Yeah, we took a lot of breaks today. A lot of things came up that we had to take care of, so the timing doesn't really apply to this video anymore, because this is definitely not getting done today. Also, like Clayton said, we had a little mix up with the vinyl order, so we have to wait for more vinyl to come in. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Enough babbling on. I think we're just gonna see you guys in the morning.
Yeah, I'm just gonna finish up trimming these little edges here, and then I'm gonna shower, dude. It was like 90 degrees today.
It was pretty hot.
We do not have AC in the shop.
Nope.
So yeah, it's 80 degrees in here right now.
It's also a mess. Okay.
It's a mess.
Good night. Oh my gosh, it's finally here. He's got the package.
Oh snap.
It's finally here.
Well, hello, little guy.
Thank you so much.
I give him a treat.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
please.
He sits out.
Sal, sit.
Good. Oh, I'm sorry. I have to make sure they have their manners.
Thank you. All right, you guys are probably wondering what day it is, and it's Monday. Yep, that's right. This vinyl took all weekend to get to us, so the Ferrari is not done. Here you go.
Close. Oh, okay.
So all that's left is the front bumper and the fenders, which Clayton's gonna take care of both of those because I got better things to do. Just kidding. I'm just gonna watch.
Say thank you to the mailman. That was so nice of him.
Next time, Sal. Next time. All right, guys, the most satisfying tear of the day. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So satisfying.
You guys ready for this?
Oh, one of these. You should stick to wrapping.
Yeah, I will.
No basketball for you.
Ooh, it's all done. Good job. Look at you.
What are those? Are those police siren lights on top here?
Yep.
Wee woo, wee woo. Okay, anyways. So up next is the fenders, and then the transformation is complete. Takes extreme precision to cut out the emblem. No pressure.
I got this.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You like that?
Perfect. It's done!
Done.
So the Ferrari is done. Clayton did a fantastic job. Good job, Clayton.
Thank you.
I would like to show you guys the car completed, transformed, but not here in the shop because the shop kind of takes away from the wrap. So we're gonna head over to our favorite spot, grab some photos of it because this isn't gonna be ours much longer. Guys, we are at our very scenic spot. Wow, I really like it.
Yeah, I'm kind of jealous. Why didn't you guys think of telling us to wrap it white? It's their...
Gloss pearl white.
No, it's
Holy
actually
crap. It looks so good. Okay, you guys ready? Are you ready? Okay. Oh! I sound really weird, but it's because it looks so good. I'm so excited for the new owner. Honestly, oh my gosh, I'm so stoked for him. It looks so good. It's got like the stormtrooper theme going on.
Definitely, definitely. And I wasn't a huge fan of the pearl, like the gloss pearl, but it actually looks way better.
Way better than just a regular white.
Yeah, way better.
Oh my gosh. All right, picture time. Picture time. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I may or may not cry when this gets loaded up on the trailer to go to its new home. Okay, the power lines are kind of bumming out my Instagram photo, so we're gonna go to our second favorite, which is over there yonder, so.
Roller shots.
Oh yeah, let's get some roller shots.
Let's do it. All right, hand me the camera. Ugh. All right, you guys, we made it to our famous secret spot here in Park City. Faith is framing up her shots, and then I gotta take a ton of photos of Faith.
Yep.
For her. So I can even see that. Oh, nice. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, look at that. I don't know what's up with the sun today, but it's like really cool.
Yeah.
I knew this was the final farewell. Well, guys, I'm really enjoying this sunset. I don't know what it is, but every time we plan a photo shoot at this parking lot, the sunset is amazing.
Yeah, I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but
it's like a beautiful gradient of like purple, orange, peach. I don't know. Okay, guys, we're in love with this sunset, so we're doing a time lapse. I wish you were here in person. I mean, the camera's not doing it justice, but we're gonna enjoy this sunset. Then we're gonna take the Ferrari back to the garage so it can sit and wait for its ride to California.
The transport vehicles.
Yep.
So that's still up in the air. We may still have it a couple more days. Maybe another video.
Maybe try and
one last video.
Spend as much time with it as we can. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of us wrapping it. I know wrap videos tend to get a little boring, but I think it was well worth it. That looks so good.
Thank you guys so much for watching yet another one of our videos. Faith and I are gonna enjoy this sunset together and then probably go get some food. I'm starving.
I'm starving. It's been a long day. We're working hard, but we will get a video up to you guys soon, I promise. And we'll see you there.
Peace.
Peace.